G'day cocktail lover, what can I get for you today? I read that May 7th is Cosmopolitan Day and I was going to ask you to make me a Cosmo, but I know it has vodka in it and you don't like making cocktails with vodka. I'm just looking out for you. Vodka is an absolutely just nothing ingredient in a cocktail. Unless you're a teenager just trying to get drunk without tasting the alcohol, you've got no business wasting your time with vodka cocktails. Also, the teenagers shouldn't be doing that. Young brains, not fully formed, alcohol bad. So what spirit would you recommend in place of vodka? I've actually done a direct comparison where I made a Cosmo using different spirits: gin, white rum, tequila. Tequila? I know. It sounds weird. Tequila sounds very out of place there. But think about it. The Cosmo is essentially following the margarita recipe with the addition of some cranberry juice. I'll admit, when I put tequila in that mix, it was more or less a joke, a wild card. Did you regret it afterwards? I was actually surprised when I discovered tequila was the best substitute. And I'm not just talking copping out with like a Blanco, very light tequila. I was using a Reposado that has good, decent flavor in it. Well, what about whiskey? What about it? Would whiskey be better in a Cosmo than vodka? I never considered trying it with whiskey. But you say anything's better in a cocktail than vodka, so surely you're willing to put your money where your mouth is. What I really meant is you could substitute any like white spirit or light spirit in place of vodka. But you know what? I'm calling your bluff. I'm gonna make a Cosmopolitan with whiskey, and you're gonna drink it. I didn't think you'd do it. Well, I have to stick to my word. Besides, no skin off my nose. You're the one who's going to drink it. Now I'm starting to think I may have made a very bad decision. Too late to back out now. First up, I'm going to choose a whiskey. I think I'm going to use this one, Starward's Twofold Whiskey. This is basically their entry-level whiskey. It's very easy to drink, it's quite light, and so I don't think it's going to completely overpower the other factors in the drink. So we'll start by putting 1.5 ounces, around 45 mils of our whiskey into our cocktail shaker. Next comes the orange liqueur, and I'm going to be nice to you and use this limited edition blood orange and hibiscus curacao from another local distiller, Marionette. So we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce, around 22.5 mils of orange liqueur to our shaker. Next comes the lime juice, and you can vary this a little bit according to your personal taste, how acidic you like to drink, but we want from 1/2 to 3/4 of an ounce, so 15 to 20-ish mils of lime juice in our shaker. The final touch is the cranberry juice, and we will add 3/4 of an ounce of cranberry juice to our shaker. Now we add ice to our shaker, put it together, bang it in hard, give that a good shake for about 15 seconds. Strain that into a chilled cocktail coupe. And there is your Whisky Cosmopolitan. Here we go. Great moments in science. I'm going to be really annoyed. I'm going to be really annoyed because this works. Oh man, it's so annoying. I was sure I'd be able to say vodka was better. Now I can't stop drinking it. Oh, okay, yes, you're right. It has so much more character than a cocktail made with vodka would. There's actually multiple tastes going on rather than one taste with the vodka hiding behind it. I'll get you one day. And that's why I say use anything apart from vodka in a cocktail. I can't always guarantee that the result's going to be fantastic, but it will always be interesting.